Success management is the topic for today evening. Like I just said, I'm Agnello Rajesh, chairman for St. Angelo's VNCD Ventures. I'm a serial entrepreneur with business interest in a wide range of businesses across the globe. I'm a passionate mentor on a mission to build 100 strong entrepreneurs in India through affiliations with organizations like Business Opportunities Club and Corporate Connections. Friends, what is success to you? Success is something that you have to define for yourself, and no one can do it for you. Success could mean a sense of giving back to the world and making a difference. It could mean a sense of accomplishment and career progression. It could mean being able to do the things you love. It could mean being able to provide the best possible upbringing for your children. It is completely and entirely to you. Success has absolutely no deadline. So friends, possible barriers to success. Unhealthy habits and behaviors restrict our potential to grow and be successful. Let me share some of my top 5 mental barriers you must tear down to succeed. First is, if you have stopped learning, that's a bad sign. You should always keep learning. You need to be good in time management. Poor management might not help you to continue being successful. You need to be care too much to what you say to yourself rather than caring too much for what others think about what you're doing. If you're trying to figure out everything without a mentor, it's not a great situation. Always have mentors in your life. They shape the journey for you. And do not have vague goals. Now, these are my points, and I would like to conclude by saying lifelong learning is a trait of most successful people. So lifelong learning is critically important. We need to enhance chances of success. Friends, every successful person that I have met, regardless of what your specific definition of success is, most of them practiced these points, these seven scientifically proven points. So you need to be having some points that you create and you follow them irrespective of the scenario or situation. Please embrace meaningful relationships. Point number 2 is develop a growth mindset. Critically important. A growth mindset is always positive in nature. A growth mindset will always look at the positives of a situation rather than trying to identify the negatives of a situation. Always think positively. There are no two ways. Let's have a very positive life. Success and positivity go hand in hand. Always be smart and socially skilled. At Business Opportunities Club, what we are doing are we are socially connected, and what we are sharing on every Saturday is developing our skills on whatever we intend doing in business and personal life. We need to be socially skilled. We need to be specific. Like they say, being specific is terrific. So if you're specific, the other person understands you well. When they understand you well, your purpose gets more well defined. You need to boost your confidence by action. No idea is good enough if you cannot implement it with quick action. So action is the crux of the matter, which gives life to an idea. Well, friends, get up early. Probably it might help you. There are people who get up late but sleep late. They also achieve the same things. But globally, getting up early is considered as a good practice. You have got more times on hands to do the activity of the day and plan yourself better. So how to effectively deal with success? Whether you're already successful or moving towards success, let me share some tips for managing your success wisely. Celebrate your success. Point number 1, celebrate your success. Big or small, each success must be celebrated. Accept your success. Nothing happens by chance. If you succeeded, it is because you took action on time and in the right proportion. Learn from your success. Just like we are told to learn from our failure, take out time to learn from your success as well. Like how you can make the success bigger the next time that you try to do the same thing. Share your success lessons with others. Take time to share your story with others so that they can learn from your successes and failures. Be mindful of your success. Never forget your roots and how far you have come. Being grounded is critically important. My success formula is decide exactly what you want, set a deadline, and make a plan to get there. Take action on your plan with all that you have. Just go all out and you will be successful. Persist till you succeed. Persistence and consistency leads you to victory. So friends, that was the setting up the tone for the topic of the evening.